Question number 7. You described the lunar rover as a bucking bronco on the moon. Would you elaborate and assess the rover's performance and tell us what changes you recommend for the 1972 model?
Well, there were several times there when we were riding along where we'd hit a sizable bump, and you could see the wheels come off the ground and float through the air. And but Dave should comment more as far as the driving. And it was really like a bucking bronco. That's true, because I was strapped in. As you know, Dave had to strap me in because I had some trouble with my seat belt. But I really did feel like I was on a bucking bronco. I think I might add that it's a very stable machine, but because of the 1/6 gravity, it tends to float. And I think it's just a matter of becoming accustomed to the driving. It's a very stable vehicle. The suspension system is excellent. I think the only recommendation we'd really have would be to come up with a new idea on a seatbelt type arrangement. Other than that, I think the vehicle is about as optimum as you can build.
I have visual contact again. I am 140 from the ship, 1.5 bearing is 130 to 3 main chutes. I have visual contact, 3 main chutes. Okinawa, roger.
Roger 15, we got a visual on you on the screen in here.
Apollo 15, Apollo 15, this is recovery, over. Recovery, Apollo 15, everybody's in good shape, and we're looking at about 3,500 feet. Roger, Apollo 15, if you hear, all units have you in sight, and we are inbound now. Roger. Splashdown, mark splashdown.
Landing velocity on 2 chutes is 28 feet per second, or 32 feet per second versus 28 feet on 3 chutes.
Apollo 15, this is recovery, over. Apollo 15, everybody's in good shape.
It's great to be back. We had a great time on a trip. I think we accomplished a lot. We had a lot of support from a lot of people, and I'd just like to say that we appreciate every bit of it, and we could not have done the mission. We couldn't have gone one step without the support of the many, many thousands of people involved. Thank you very much.